Environmental and health regulations require that commercial-grade tractors and earth-moving equipment are equipped with enclosed operator cabs that limit exposure to weather extremes and dust. These units are air-conditioned. Severe service, heat, and vibration of this type of equipment can contribute to wear and tear on the soft parts of the air conditioning system, like the hoses. Replacements can be sourced from manufacturers and parts suppliers. But with the great variety of configurations involved, special orders are routine. With Royal Brass & Hoses AC kit and a few simple tools you most likely own, you can meet that customer's need while they wait at a lower cost and a nice profit for you. The fact is, all systems are the same. Compressors, dryers, and condensers are linked by tubing and rubber hoses. These fail over time with rough service, and this is an opportunity for you. Ask yourself, where are my customers going with damaged air conditioning hoses? The answer could be you.